Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a floor carpet design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go rectangle, rec enter. First corner point. Dimension D enter. 900 enter. 30 enter. Okay, click here. More M enter. Select object. Base point, displacement point. Okay, mirror, MI enter. Select object, mirror line, enter. Okay, now go block, B enter. Block name, floor carpet. Select object, enter. Pick point, click here. Block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go group, G enter. Select object, enter. Again group, select object, enter. Okay, now go parameters, base point, parameter linear, repeat linear, select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1. Okay, select distance 1, parameter, go properties, rename, width, enter. Okay, select distance 2, parameter, go properties, rename, length, enter. Select length parameter, go value set, this type, set increment, distance increment 300, enter. Minimum distance 900, enter. Maximum distance 6000, enter. Okay, now go actions, stretch, select length parameter, point, stretch frame, select object. Okay, enter. Again go actions, stretch, select width parameter, point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Again actions, array, select parameter, select object, select, enter. Between columns distance 30, enter. Okay, now select width parameter, go properties, value set, this type, increment, distance increment 30, distance minimum 30, distance maximum 6000, enter. Okay, now save block, save changes, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Stretch, Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.